This inquiry preview will help you prepare the animal parts activity. This hands-on activity will require 20 minutes of prep time and will take about 30 minutes to complete, and works best when students are placed in small groups. The purpose of this activity is for students to compare the body structures of a butterfly and a fish. In this lesson, students will be introduced to animal structures. They will begin to notice patterns among closely related species. For example, all birds have feathers and wings. Although birds have many differences, animals with these characteristics can be classified together as birds. While birds share common body structures, not all of them are alike. Take a look at the feet of these different birds. The feet are different because they are used for different purposes. Different species can be grouped by size, color, plumage, and behaviors. When students begin comparing animals from different groups, mammals, reptiles, insects, birds, and fish, they will discover even greater differences. In these images, all of the animals have mouths, but they are used differently. As you prepare for this activity, complete this checklist before class starts. If you are using the Inquiry Rewind video to complete this activity, students will need a pencil to record their observations. If you choose to use live specimens, follow the instructions in your teacher's edition to redeem your coupon for live butterflies and goldfish for your classroom. Be sure to allow enough time for the processing and shipment of your materials order. A hand lens should also be used for student observations. Prepare to show the video clips on your projector, TV, or other screen. To help ensure a smooth activity, include these topics in your pre-activity discussion with your class. Engage students by explaining that they will be viewing clips of animals and observing their body structures. After they have made observations, they will be comparing the animal's body parts. To make sure all students understand how to record data, model the procedure by drawing and labeling the bird from the phenomenon video. Keep your drawing displayed for students to refer to during the activity. Students should follow the procedure for this activity. However, here are a few key ideas to make this activity successful. If students are observing live specimens, be sure they do not touch the fish or butterfly with their bare hands. Students can observe both organisms safely with their hand lens. You can also instruct students to use the photos on the activity pages to make their observations. Tell students to draw the animals and label the structures they know. If time allows, have students conduct research to learn the scientific names for fish and butterfly structures. Students should have observed that a butterfly has wings, legs, and antennae, and a fish has gills, scales, and fins. When students have finished, bring them together to discuss their findings. If some students were unable to view the expected observations, show the Inquiry Rewind student video again before starting the discussion. Then, use the questions in the Teacher's Edition to guide your discussion.